Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about indoor plants. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also improve air quality, reduce stress levels, and boost your mood. So, if you're looking for an easy way to improve your indoor environment, consider adding some greenery to your space. In this video, we'll explore 5 indoor plants that will not only beautify your home but also provide some health benefits. Plant 1. Snake plant. The first indoor plant we will discuss is the snake plant. It is an excellent choice for beginners as it's easy to care for and can survive in low light conditions. Snake plants are known for their ability to remove toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, and benzene from the air. It also helps to improve air quality and boost your mood. Plant 2. Peace lily. The second indoor plant is the peace lily. It is known for its ability to remove harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia from the air. It's also an excellent air purifier and helps to boost your mood. Peace lily requires minimal sunlight and water, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Plant 3. Spider plant. The third indoor plant is the spider plant. It's one of the easiest indoor plants to grow and maintain, making it a great choice for beginners. It helps to purify the air by removing harmful toxins like carbon monoxide, benzene, and formaldehyde. Spider plants also have a calming effect on your mind and can help to reduce stress levels. Plant 4. English ivy. The fourth indoor plant is English ivy. It's a great air purifier and can remove harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air. English ivy is also known to improve symptoms of allergies and asthma. It's easy to grow and maintain, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Plant 5. Aloe vera. The fifth indoor plant is aloe vera. It's known for its air purifying qualities and helps to remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Aloe vera is also known for its medicinal properties and can be used for various skin-related issues. It requires minimal maintenance and can be grown in low light conditions.